Today we are going to learn how to make this swipe to delete gesture in Figma in just 2 steps. Add a frame and switch to auto layout. Adds 2 smaller frames. Now add a text which will work as the comment and add another text which will work as the time. Now add both of them in the frame we just made. Change the size of both and see if it's responsive. Round those corners and add drop shadow. Add the frame in another frame. Hide the comment frame. We will add 2 more frames which will work as the viewed icon and a delete icon. Change the color. Now send them back and make a component. Also change the size so they appear as growing while we swipe them. Now add variants like this, in which first variant will swipe to the left and second variant will swipe to the right. And in the fourth variant, decrease the height of the card to 1 pixel. Now switch to prototype mode and use these settings. And that's how you can achieve the similar effect